Okay, so changing media system on Tauran. So now we're gonna label what is what, and then we'll proceed, because we see that's not original one already in a place, so they want to replace it. So all that is off, so we're gonna have to replace the existing one for this one where the camera fits, and then we'll run our wiring through here. So this camera doesn't fit in there, so we're gonna have to cut them two places for the bolts and make it fit. Okay, so we managed to pull the cable through for the camera, so it goes through there. We had to remove all that, and it comes there, and then as you can see through the trouble bit, and it comes up here. It was a bit short, so I had to leave it like that, so the camera cable still has access. So the job is done. Install that, install the camera at the back.